Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you the step-by-step process on how to remove background image in Canva. Now, in the homepage of Canva, navigate the apps. Now, in this section, tap search bar and type for background remover. Now, in here, you can select any app, whatever you want. For example, I'll be using clear background. So if you have an existing design, you can just tap this button. Since I do not have an existing design, so I'll just create a new design and select the Canva. Then after that, in the left side navigation, click the background remover you just had downloaded. Then you have to choose a file from your downloads. Like for example, this one, and tap remove background. Now, as you can see here, it successfully removed the image background. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.